Aristotle. Aristotle was born in Macedonia, came to Athens at the age of 18, and became a student of Plato. Aristotle founded a new university in Athens, and taught Alexander the Great for 3 years. First psychologist. Aristotle wrote numerous books on ethics, history, religion, and science. Aristotle wrote many journals on philosophy and psychology. J.B. Watson called him the first psychologist to do a lot of work in the field of psychology. Aristotle's book De Anima, which means on the soul, is the first definitive book on psychology, in which he disagreed with his teacher Plato's view of the mind-body dualism. To him, the soul and the body are inseparable, and the mind is a function of bodily functions. That is why many modern psychologists call Aristotle the founder of functionalism. Science of soul. Aristotle called psychology the science of the soul. According to him, all bodily functions take place under the influence of the soul. There are 3 levels of the soul in psychology. The earliest form of psychology is the growth force that occurs in plants, which Aristotle called the plant soul or vegetable soul. There are animals 1 level above the plants, which have the power of numbness as well as the sense of self, which Aristotle called the animal soul. Man is the highest, in which there is growth power and sensory as well as self-reasoning, which Aristotle called the Ramal soul. Instinct. According to Aristotle, the body is a material object that changes over time. The body needs food, water, sleep, and rest to meet its biological needs. These are the necessities without which it is impossible to live. He has called such needs as instinct. Man, whom Aristotle called the Ramal soul, learns from intelligence and knowledge. Aristotle discussed the senses and their actions and grouped the 5 senses, which are still called the 5 senses. Social psychology. Aristotle is also known for his social psychology. According to him, man is a social animal. He needs society to live instinctively. In addition, he needs society to develop his God-given abilities. Psychological motivation has a special significance in modern social psychology. About 2,300 years before Freud, Aristotle was aware of the importance of the psychology of catharsis. Aristotle's psychology and its effects on modern psychology have also been acknowledged by eminent scholars such as Kulp, Ebbinghaus, and C.S. Meyer.